Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Hawaiian BBQ macaroni salad, an easy and delicious side dish. First, you'll want to cook 1 pound of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly soft, then rinse it thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process. While that cools, gather your main dressing ingredients. About 2½ cups of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now, let's craft that signature creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together your 2½ cups of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of sugar until smooth. Next, fold in 2 shredded carrots and 1/4 cup of shredded onion. This combination creates a vibrant texture and adds a subtle sweetness to our delicious salad. With your dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently fold the cooked elbow macaroni into the creamy dressing mixture. Make sure to mix thoroughly, ensuring every single piece of macaroni is evenly coated with that rich, flavorful sauce. Once combined, cover the salad tightly and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your Hawaiian macaroni salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled as a fantastic side dish for any barbecue or gathering. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of paprika or some freshly chopped green onions. While 1 hour of chilling is good, for the absolute best flavor and texture, we recommend letting it chill overnight. Enjoy this classic, creamy delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.